Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve 24th February 2021 JEE Main Shift 1 memory based question. Question number 1. Area bounded by the curve x square plus y square less or equal to 36 and outside parabola y square is equal greater or equal to 9x is 4 options are given. This is the question in the house of area bounded by the curve. At first, draw the figure. It is x and y axis, and this is the given circle, and here is the parabola. This is circle x square plus y square is equal to 36, and here is the parabola y square is equal to 9x. Now this is the point axis center 0 and here is 6. So now the touching point, this is 3 comma after solving these two, y square that is x3, it is 3 root 3. So this point is 3 root 3. So we should calculate the area, this one, this area bounded by the curve. Now this point is, this is the point 3, here is 3. So deduct this area, and as we assume that this is the symmetry, this curve makes symmetry, so this one is twice of this, so this one is twice of the curve. So finally, therefore area is, so area bounded by the curve is equal to, at first this is pi into 6 square, so here the area of the circle, now minus twice, as this is make twice, so this twice into integration 0 to 3 root 9x minus plus, and enclose the area 3 to 6. Now deduct the circle, so it is 36 minus x square dx. So when we calculate, this is the simple integration, and when we solve this, here we get 24 pi plus 15 root 3. So our option is 24 pi 15 root 3. Option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 1. Now moving to the question 2. Value of a series is given here. So this is the question in the house of binomial expansion. Now this is the given series. So the series is minus 15 C1 plus 2 twice 15 C2 minus 3 15 C3 plus up to minus 15 of C15. Once again 15 C1 plus 15 C2 plus 15 C14. So look at this. This is the series. We know, we easily write down that from this one, this is r is equal to 1 to 15 minus 1 whole r into r 15 c r. So when we just leave this one, the remaining one, now solve this. Here we get r is equal to 1 to 15 minus 1 whole r into r, and solving this we get 15 by r into 14 c r minus 1. So it is 15 into 14 minus 14 C0 plus 14 C1 minus 14 C2. We all know this is the value of this is 0. So 15 into 0 is equal to 0 here. So value of this series is 0. Now we should calculate this one. So this one is 15 C1 plus 15 C2 plus 15 C14 up to 15 C14. So this is the, here we get it is 15 C0. Now write down S plus 15 C15. We write this way. So this one is also 2 to the power 15. So S, this and this make, so here we get this and this is equal to 2 plus S. So it is 2 to the power 15. That implies S is equal to 2 to the power 15 minus 2. So our answer is, so our required answer is 2 to the power 15 minus 2. Option 2 is our correct choice. So here is the solution of question 2. Now moving to question 3. It is also a memory based question. Some data may be changed, but question is remain unchanged. It's a JEE Main Shift 1, 24th of February 2021 question. The value of limit x tend to 0 plus 0 to x square sine root t dt divide x cube. So at first our given, this is the question in the house of limit. So the given limit, given function here, integration sine root t dt divide x cube. So now applying Leibniz rules, as we should, it is LH rule is not applied here. So now applying Leibniz rule. So here we get limit x tend to 0, differentiating upper limit, so it is d dx integration 0 to x square sine of root t into dt divide integration differentiate denominator x cube. So limit x tend to 0 plus, here we get sine of x into, putting limit we get sine x 2x and it is 3x square. Now x and x is cancelled off, and here we apply sin x by x is equal to 1. So here we get 1 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So we reached, it is our required answer, and our option 2 is our correct choice. So I just write down applying Leibniz theorem or rule. So here is the whole solution of 3 problems. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.